Hi, my name is Nikki Knight and I'm a director of the Education Group. We appreciate that school leaders are working in what we call human-intensive organisations that are very complex and unpredictable. So this course supports leaders to work with others, supporting them to be more effective in their roles. Why would you come to this course? Obviously to strengthen your leadership skills, to strengthen your coaching skills, and also to support people to be more effective in their roles. Coaching in Leadership is one of our advanced premium courses that we run in New Zealand. Please visit Coaching in Leadership on our website, and we'd love to see you at our next course.